This is a bass. I caught a bass. Catching bass at night. Huh?
Shit, if I bring a bass to the phone. Man, that's a big trout there.
That's a bass. There's two bass right there.
Oh shit, I hit him right in the head. I hit it right on the top.
Catching bass at night, where we're catching speckled trout and redfish and stripers.
Let him drag that camera.
We will see you come tournament time, baby. Just hooked into a nice bass. Oh, night fishing. And look at this, baby. We caught night fishing, boy. Look at that fish. It's hard to see. Let me put him in the light down here. Look at that bass, boy. It's a pretty little fish. Yes, indeed. Fish in the lights. Fish in the lights. Big old fat boy. Caught under the lights where we're fishing speckled trout and redfish. Bass 2.0. This is for you, baby. This is for you, night fishing, catching bass.
Now, let me take a picture.
Nice fat bass.
Let me take a picture.